We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 6.4x16 Today we're going to be looking at the 6.4 by 16 tandem utility trailer with 4-foot mesh sides. This does have your jack, coupler, and safety chains, as well as your spare tire holder. This does have 4-foot mesh sides. As well as built-in tie-down points. This is a tandem axle. It does come with two Greaseable 3,500-pound axles with diamond plate fenders. This is a Dovetail. Makes for easier loading. Has your reinforced loading gate, as well as wired with LED drive lights. The floor is pressure treated wood flooring. Once again, this is the 6.5 by 16 utility trailer with 4-foot mesh sides. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.